The video captures a critical near-miss incident within a manufacturing facility where a worker is seen operating a heavy-duty overhead hoist to transport a massive industrial roller toward a processing machine. As the heavy component is suspended in mid-air, the lifting cables suddenly fail, causing the massive roller to break free and crash violently onto the factory floor, landing just inches away from the operator. This harrowing event highlights the absolute necessity of rigorous rigging inspections for all cables and slings before use. It serves as a stark reminder that personnel must never stand within the fall path of a suspended load. Maintaining strict load capacity, awareness, and ensuring proactive equipment certification are essential steps to prevent such catastrophic failures. This footage captures a high-stakes workplace incident involving a dump truck on an unstable incline. While discharging a load, the soft soil gave way, causing the vehicle to tip. Remarkably, as it tilted, sparks erupted, followed by an immediate fire from the undercarriage. In a split-second decision, the operator leaped from the cab just as the truck became engulfed in flames and tumbled down the slope. This serves as a powerful reminder of compound risks. Heavy machinery is highly vulnerable to fire during impacts, making fuel line maintenance and fire suppression essential. Furthermore, operators must ensure clear emergency egress paths. Always verify soil stability and maintain a safe distance from embankments. Safety is about preparing for the worst-case scenario, including the fire and mechanical failures that follow a tip-over to ensure everyone returns home safely. This footage captures a severe industrial accident at a textile facility, serving as a powerful reminder of why strict adherence to machinery safety protocols is non-negotiable. While operating a high-speed warping machine, a worker approached the rotating assembly without proper guarding, causing his clothing to become entangled in the spindle. Within seconds, the mechanical force drew him into the machinery, leaving no time for escape. This tragedy highlights the necessity of proactive safety measures. Workers must avoid loose attire or unrestrained hair, and management must ensure all moving parts are equipped with physical barriers. Furthermore, employees must be trained on emergency stop locations and maintain strict proximity zones. Ultimately, workplace safety is a life-saving culture, requiring constant vigilance to prevent such devastating mechanical entanglements. This footage documents a severe industrial accident involving a high-speed warping machine, serving as a critical reminder of the necessity of machine guarding and safety protocols. While operating the equipment, a worker's clothing became caught in the high-speed rotating spindle due to the lack of physical barriers and unsafe proximity. The immense mechanical force of the motor immediately drew the individual into the machinery's rotation, making it impossible to break free. Despite the rapid response of co-workers who cut the power and attempted a rescue, the speed of the incident led to a devastating outcome. This serves as a vital lesson. Workers must never wear loose clothing or accessories near moving parts. Facilities must prioritize installing emergency stop sensors and implementing physical machine guards to ensure a safe working environment for everyone. In this video, a warehouse worker attempts to pull a single bag from the base of a massive, unsupported stack. Due to a lack of understanding regarding center of gravity and structural stability, removing this foundation bag creates a critical void, causing the entire stack to lose equilibrium and collapse instantly. This incident highlights several technical failures, most notably the violation of the top-down retrieval rule. Tampering with the base of a high vertical stack without racking is extremely hazardous. Furthermore, the lack of interlocking patterns or pallet support made the column susceptible to a progressive collapse. This serves as a vital reminder to always prioritize safety over speed, ensure all staff receive proper training on stacking protocols, and use appropriate PPE and mechanical aids to prevent workplace accidents and property damage. The footage captures a wheel loader operating within an industrial facility where a pedestrian is positioned directly in the machine's path. As the loader moves forward, significant operator blind spots and a lack of coordination lead to a direct collision with the bucket. This incident highlights critical technical failures, particularly the danger of equipment blind spots when attachments obstruct an operator's line of sight. The pedestrian failed to maintain a mandatory safety clearance, and there was no established eye contact or hand signaling before movement. To prevent such incidents, facilities must enforce strict exclusion zones and the 360-degree rule, ensuring operators and pedestrians communicate effectively. Working near heavy equipment requires constant vigilance, as a few seconds of distraction can lead to severe accidents. Always prioritize site-specific safety protocols. This gripping footage captures a terrifying moment when nature strikes without warning, as a massive rockfall cascades down a steep mountainside and slams into the roadway just as vehicles are passing through. In a split-second decision, realizing the imminent danger, those at the scene quickly abandon their motorcycles and scramble to safety, narrowly escaping the path of destruction. The sheer speed and scale of the event leave onlookers in shock, highlighting the unpredictable and relentless power of the natural world. This serves as a powerful reminder to stay hyper-aware of your surroundings when traveling through mountainous terrain, especially during severe weather. The key takeaway is that quick thinking and decisive action can be life-saving in an emergency. Always stay alert and prioritize safety to mitigate risks when facing the unexpected forces of nature. This gripping footage highlights a critical safety incident involving a large tanker truck during a routine inspection. As a worker performs maintenance on the top hatch, an unexpected and massive release of internal pressure causes the lid to burst open violently. The force of the escaping air and debris is immense, occurring in an instant and throwing the worker from the vehicle while engulfing the area in a cloud of vapor. This incident serves as a serious reminder of the importance of following strict safety protocols when working with high-pressure equipment. Operators must always verify that internal pressure has been fully bled off before opening hatches. Furthermore, using proper personal protective equipment and receiving thorough technical training are essential to minimize risks and handle emergency situations safely. This video captures a hazardous situation involving individuals working with metal drums. Due to a lack of proper safety protocols and a failure to inspect the containers for residual substances, a sudden fire occurred the moment a heat source was introduced. The intense flames caught everyone off guard, forcing them to evacuate the area immediately to ensure their safety. Fortunately, there were no severe injuries, but this incident serves as a critical wake-up call regarding workplace safety. Key safety lessons include never underestimating risks when handling equipment that may have contained flammable materials. Before performing tasks involving heat on storage containers, they must be meticulously inspected and cleared of all flammable gases. Proper safety knowledge and PPE are essential for protection. This footage captures a serious safety incident involving two construction workers performing tasks at an elevated height. While working, one of the individuals stepped onto a wooden plank that had not been properly secured. Because the platform was unstable, it gave way, causing the worker to lose his footing and fall from the structure. This serves as a critical reminder of the vital importance of securing all work surfaces and following strict fall protection protocols on job sites to prevent such accidents.